Hi guys, this is Ehsan. So we are back with this Karel thing, and we were solving this problem, and we just got introduced to Super Karel, which is a Karel version which not only knows move, turn left, pick beeper, put beeper, but it has some additional commands. Two of these we have seen already. One is turn right and turn around. Few others we will see today in this video. So imagine that we have the same problem, but somebody comes along and changes this grid. The problem statement remains the same, it is just that the grid or the world where Karel works becomes smaller. What do I mean by that? Here we have 10 avenues and 10 rows or 10 streets. Imagine that someone changes this world and creates a world like this. It doesn't have the world no longer has access to the 10th avenue, so imagine that there is a wall over here. So let's remove these two walls and let's put a wall around here. And now if I save this world, let's say this is Karel environment, let's environment, which is short form of environment, and since the world is short, so let's say it's a short Karel. So we do save and we made a mistake, and let's say we keep it. The mistake was that I did not put a w.w at the end. I should have given it. So let's do it again. Edit world, save world. Let's say it's 10 by 10. Oh, never mind. So let's work with this. So we run the command program and we see that Karel is blocked because Karel cannot do the last move command, and because there is a wall and Karel cannot go through wall. So in order for this to work, we need to change the environment. We need to change the code. So we need to remove this code. What we can do is not remove but put a comment. So this line will not work, or the computer will not execute this line because it thinks it's a comment only meant for human. So we do OK, and let's run it again, and we run this and we run this, and so we load the world. Our world is this one. We change the name to .w and we use this one, open, and we start the program and it works. But you see, for this Karel to work in this environment, we needed to change the code. But is there a way we could change it, change the code in a way that even if we change this world, it still works? Let's look at a different problem. And the problem is like this. Let's run it again. Let's say that the initial point of the world was not here. It was somewhere here. What I meant is, let's edit the world. Let's put this. We remove this wall, and we put a wall over here. And we save the world and we say this is another short one.w. And if we now want to run this code, this doesn't really work. So you see that even if the problem is the same, it's not really working properly for different environment because we have changed the environment a little bit. Now let's look at a third version of the problem. So let's run it again, and imagine that the beeper was not here, but the beeper was here. So let's edit the world, let's place a beeper over here, and let's not put a beeper over here. So we remove the beeper. How do I do that? Maybe I do this, yes. So I save the world. So this one, I say this is case number 2.w. So save. Let's start the program. So you see, it's not working if we run it now, because now the beeper is no longer in the third position, but it's in position number 2. So is there a way we could write this code in a general way? This is the next part of the problem that we are dealing with. Thank you.